Hey guys, welcome to my channel Padma's Universe. My name is Padma, and yes, you would have guessed it by the title says that it's my birthday. Yes, it is my birthday, and I'm super duper duper excited. I love my birthday. I kind of wait for this special day the entire year. I so look forward to it, and like a small child, I for me birthdays are special. Not only me, any family member's birthday, I try to make it extra special. It just cannot be another day, so it has to be made special, memorable in some way or the other, whether you're celebrating it at home or outside, wherever, whatever you do, it has to be made special. So the thing is, today it's 11th of March, which is my birthday, and it happens to be a Monday, which is a weekday, and it is extra special because my hubby has taken off. Yes, he's not working today, he's taken it off, and I'm super happy. So thanks to my hubby, because we are going for movie morning show. We have booked for a morning show, Badla, which is Amitabh Bachchan's movie. The reviews are fab. I've been looking forward to watch this movie, and today on my birthday we're going to go watch this movie. That's the plan as of now. So kids are at school, and this is my outfit for the day, and this is a baby pink, very comfortable cotton kurti. This is my all-time favorite. This is my choice of dressing. So a very comfortable kurti paired with jeggings. Even otherwise, I'm very comfortable with a pair of comfortable denims or leggings. Anything is fine as long as it is comfortable and cool. So yes, we are off. The movie is at 11 o'clock, and I really don't remember when was the last time I went for a morning show movie. I think this is the first time. So I'm gonna enjoy. So my birthday has started, and for now this is the plan. So we are gonna have lunch, post movie lunch at the mall, and once the kids are back from school, evening, the plan, I don't know, it's the kids' wish and it's my command. So we have reached, and that's my outfit. The movie was awesome, superb, brilliant performances by Taapsee Pannu and Amitabh Bachchan, and my favorite. So yes, we loved the movie, enjoyed the movie. It's a murder mystery and brilliant. So we are having lunch at the food court now, and post which I actually wanted to buy a watch, a wristwatch. It's not a gift. I've been wanting to buy a wristwatch since almost a couple of years now. We have almost 2 hours in hand now, so it's only 1:30, and kids are gonna be home only by 3:30. So we have couple of hours. So I'll see if we can get drop into any of the Titan showroom on the way. I'm not sure, so I'll have to check. If possible, we'll buy a watch now. If not, we'll have to keep it for the evening. So we kind of I was not able to find any Titan showroom nearby, so looks like it is not possible now. So we are planning to go home, because by the time we reach home, it's going to be 2:30, and even if we make it to the showroom, I don't want to do any shopping hurry burry. I want to buy a watch peacefully, aram se choose. So we are home. The time is exactly 2:30. We have exactly an hour to go. Kids are going to be home, so I'm planning to take a short nap, freshen up, and then evening, for kids, anybody's birthday at home, they have to go out and eat restaurant. So that's their celebration for them. Celebration and birthday means they have to go out and eat. And here my elder one is having his after school snack. His snack is corn pulao, sweet corn pulao. That's his forever favorite. So I packed corn pulao for his lunch today in his tiffin box. So whenever I make this recipe, the corn pulao, I make a little extra, so it becomes easy for me, because when kids come home, they have this for their evening snack. So here my son is enjoying his corn pulao with chopsticks. So of late we started eating with chopsticks just for fun. We learned how to eat with chopsticks online through YouTube. So this is how the corn pulao looks. It's a very easy, flavorful corn pulao or corn fries, sweet corn. So I always keep a batch of sweet corn handy in the fridge. So at least once a week I make this, and I got this beautiful bowl from Home Center. So just one bowl. So we love eating out of bowls. So kids find it very exciting. So instead of using a fork, we use chopsticks, and instead of using a plate, we use bowls. Not always, sometimes. So here kids are ready. So as said and done, kids wish our command. So we are planning to go out for dinner. So kids are all ready, and I'm planning to go pick a watch for myself. So the time is around 6:30 now. So the kids are ready. So we are planning to go towards Indranagar. So that is where there are a couple of Titan showrooms. So my parents would be joining us for dinner, and kids are busy perfuming each other. So they are busy playing with their perfume bottles. So I gifted one, actually, the pocket perfume, and the kids make sure that they have their own dose of perfume before going out. And that's my outfit for the evening. Very simple casual tees, t-shirt and a pair of denims. As usual, Bangalore traffic, crazy traffic, evening traffic. So we are planning to eat at Empire restaurant, and I love the biryanis and kebabs there.
Black one,
In the black. Oh, there is black also. So so this is for.
This is 4195.
This one.
No, this is 35 something. 3595.
3595. This is
4195.
Okay. What to do? And this is.
This is 2495.
Cheapest.
நல்லா இருக்கு. மென்ஸ் வாட்ச் மாதிரி இருந்தால் தான் நல்லா இருக்கும். So this is my pick, this is my choice, and this is my watch, my wristwatch. I'm going ahead with this one, and I absolutely love it. My husband felt that it's a bit too big and it looks a little masculine, but that is how I like it. I do not want it to look too very feminine. I mean, that's good, but then since this is going to be my only watch as of now, I want it to be big, bold, stylish, make a statement when I wear it on my wrist, and make me feel good. So look at the insides of the watch, how complex it is. So here I am at the mechanic. It's adjacent to the shop, so I'm here to remove couple of links because the watch right now is a bit too loose. It's huge, as in it's big. So I have removed a couple of links and they've tightened it, and these are the links which I can use it in future if at all the need be. So for now this is done here, and he is setting the time, date, and I also have the options of setting the date and the day along with the time. And now we are heading towards the restaurant Empire. So this is Empire. I love the biryanis here. Awesome, especially the mutton biryani. Chicken, I did not like it. It's not all that great. But mutton biryani, yes, it's awesome. Very flavorful, fragrant, and amazing. So that is what we've ordered, Shadi ki biryani, so which is a family pack. Otherwise, apart from that, we have ordered for some starters. So my mom is a vegetarian today. Mondays she doesn't have non-veg. So for her, we have ordered some veg and paneer dishes, and otherwise for us, we have ordered some chicken, chicken popcorn. I'm already flaunting my watch. I'm loving it so much. So we've ordered quail fry, which is probably the dish of the day. So quail fry, some soups, and some chicken dishes. So we are back home, and what a day it was. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Enjoyed every bit of my birthday. Until yesterday, I was like, oh god, it is Monday. What am I going to do? Should I do something at home? Should I make something at home and all that? But then everything happened. Sudden plans, sudden movie plans. My husband took an off. Enjoyed every bit of my birthday. Kids had fun. The meal was lovely. The movie was awesome. And the best part was the watch. It came to me today as a gift. I've been, trust me, wanting to buy a watch since last 2 years, couple of years now. And today it happened and it came to me as a gift. I hope to use my time, every minute of it, precious, precious minute, wisely, in a constructive way and not waste any time. So, yes, and then we loved the Empire biryani, everything that we ordered, especially the faluda. So yes, it was a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I feel so happy sharing this special day with you. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.